I mean, syempre, we've established the commercial compliance
Yeah,
and the
yeah.
corporate. So since we're focusing on something that will resonate on a personal level to the consumers,
Yeah.
we actually we launched our, so ngayon, daming golfers, diba? We have our golfers insurance.
What
We
is it?
have,
Pag natama kang bola, gano'n? Or
actually, yeah.
natamaan mo yung katabi mo pag...
No, yan na yun.
Oh, wow,
Tama. Or
okay.
sabihin natin, may tamaan ka na kotse.
Oh.
Or masira yung club mo. Or actually, in a good way pa,
Right.
if you score a hole-in-one, we also reward you with a cash prize. So, may
you Jay Lindeberg buyers out there, alam niyo na. Okay.
Tapos
I know
syempre,
a guy literally did a hole-in-one.
yun, he gets a cash from our policy. Tas,
Mayaman eh. Ewan ko, naka-BM eh. Okay.
ayun,
Sige.
yan na yan.
Ano yan?
Pero
Okay, there you go.
yeah, and of course, you have a caddy. If something happens to your caddy, like you said, matamaan more so, or matamaan siya, I mean,
And you can
that's
never
covered.
control where that ball is gonna go sometimes. You know?
No. So that's one. The other would be we have our eSecure,
Okay.
which is basically personal cyber insurance.
Ooh.
So you have your e-wallet, you have your of course credit card and debit card, unauthorized charges, ganyan. But
Yeah.
on the e-wallet or yung mga social engineered phishing, yung mga na scam ka.
Right.
And you're buying online from I mean, it's common now. You go to a website that looks like a legitimate
Yeah,
website.
you got fished.
But then pagkalagay mo ng card details mo, apparently it's a lookalike website. It's fake.
Yeah.
So
And they're getting really, really good.
Yeah, it's really grabe.
Yeah.
So
Someone almost stole my money. Buti lang yung bangko ko walang laman. Founder eh.
But-
What are you gonna steal from me, bro? Negative yan. Okay.